Bathing in Japan isn't just about getting clean, it's a whole experience. From traditional onsen to unique bath salts, fancy washcloths, and fun gadgets, Japan's bath culture is truly one of a kind. Good day. In this episode of Home Center Secrets, I'm going to introduce you to some amazing Japanese bath items and souvenirs that you can get right here at GooDay Home Center. For example, look at all these Japanese bath salts, so many different kinds. For therapeutic treatment, or to help you sleep. Maybe revisit your favorite onsen, and some fun ones for kids. How about an unko or poo bath? Let's take some home and check them out. If you want a bath that's both relaxing and fun, Onpo Assorted Bath Tablets are perfect. They combine hot spring minerals and bubbly carbonation to ease fatigue, improve circulation, and with 4 scents and colors in one box, there's a match for every mood. If you're after a truly authentic onsen experience at home, Onso Shirohana no Yu is a must-try. Its alkaline formula recreates the silky texture of Japan's famous beauty baths, with sulfur minerals that ease fatigue, boost circulation, and leave your skin feeling incredibly smooth. Next, if you're looking for a bath that pampers your skin while helping you relax, Hers Bath Lab W Moisturizing Tablets are a perfect pick. These fizzy tablets create a silky, frothy bath that leaves your skin feeling smooth. Plus, the soothing tea-inspired scents like Earl Grey, chai, rooibos rose make every soak feel like a luxurious tea time retreat. These carbonated, additive-free bath tablets combine botanical essential oils and moisturizers for a gentle, skin-friendly soak in clear, colorless water, ideal for sensitive skin. Each box includes 12 tablets in 4 relaxing scents: bergamot, rosemary, neroli, and orange. Ready to take your bath to the next level? Bub Monster Bubble MEGA Marble Foam is a game changer. These oversized tablets pack maximum carbonation to ease fatigue and muscle tension, while the marbled foam, lavender cocktail scent, and spacey violet water create a truly indulgent escape. Looking for a way to make bath even more fun? Awappi is perfect. This fluffy tangerine-scented foam lets you draw on the water or shape it into anything you like. It's playful, smells great, and even moisturizes your skin with shea butter and jojoba oil. A bath that's as creative as it is relaxing. Transform your bath into a Japanese onsen experience with EU Tabidachi Nikoryu no Yado. This pack features 4 distinct bath salts inspired by Japan's iconic hot spring towns, including Noribetsu's calming hinoki, Japanese cypress, with milky green water. Relax, rejuvenate, and bring the essence of Japan's onsen culture to your home. But not only bath salts, they have a huge variety of bath accessories, like these Japanese washcloths. Look at these, they got special ones for men. They're extra long, extra large. They come in different textures, like hard or medium. They also have washcloths made of silk, made of cotton, and these washcloths are designed to create more bubbles, more foam, so you can get a rich lather like this. And for the full Japanese authentic bath experience, why not pick up one of these? This is a Yu-oke, Japanese wooden bath bucket used for pouring water over your head. And they even have the natural wood bath stools. Pick up a set. And not only traditional Japanese bath items, some modern ones like this. This is a foot brush. It's made of silicone, it's soft but still firm, and you can get a massage in the bath or shower every day. There's no doubt The Japanese have mastered the art of bathing, and with so many bath salts and cool accessories, isn't it time you updated your bath time game?